Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. So this is a super neat trailer. You don't find them like this anymore. This is a 2013 Featherlite, 8 wide, mid-tack, 4-horse. Again, they are rare. It is all aluminum. It does have a stainless nose. It's got the dual electric jack. No, it doesn't. Okay, that's a hand jack, but it's got 2 speeds. You could totally put a electric or hydraulic jack on this trailer, but that is the only setback. It does not have electric jack. About made a mistake there. Obviously, 2 propane tanks, battery box, spare. It is a 29.75 foot box. So that gives you an idea of its box length is basically 29.75, and the model is an 8581. 8581 Featherlite. White and silver in color. It's got the split color on the back. You don't see that anymore either. It does have a freshwater tank with water pump. On this side of the trailer, there are some tree scratches that are pretty deep. I mean, I don't think that those can be fixed. So it's above those windows, so I wanted to point that out on this side of the trailer. It's got 4 drop-down windows and an escape door. Those windows are mirrored, which is super nice for the glare for your horses. So those, when they're up, they're mirrored. That's one thing I did like about the older Featherlites. Things that they did was mirror their windows. So. All right, it does have the extrusion. That's the ribbed aluminum underneath all 3 of the windows. You can't see the manger doors. You'll be able to see those in my pictures, but it's got 2 manger doors for storage, but you have storage across that whole entire bottom. Rear ramp, 2 brush boxes, bridle hooks. It is a collapsible rear tack, 4-tier saddle rack. Rubber's good on the back door. Stepping up into the horse box. It is 7'6" tall, fully lined and insulated. It does have roof vents. Horse box is in great shape. It's very big in here. Lower divider. Some of the rubber is missing along that bottom line. Actually, I don't even know that it had rubber there before. Yes, it did. So the rubber's gone there on the bottom of the wheel well. That's usually atypical in these used trailers. It's got big lights. I guess those are LED light bars across the top there. Again, this is fully lined and insulated. It definitely feels better in here. Padding on the front of the chest of the mangers. Everything in the horse box looks good. All right. It does have 2, you can see the mirror on this side. Well, not really because of the sun, but all your windows are mirrored all the way around the trailer. I do notice a scratch on this back door and 2 dents. Let me get out of the, okay. So we got 2 dents and a scratch on this back door. I didn't look at the other back door. Let me go and look at that other back door and make sure I've got it clipped back. Yep, there's some little dents here on that back door. Let me see if I can hold guys. I'm gonna unclip it so we can see it. Looks like there's some scratching, kind of discoloration here on the back door. But again, all those windows are mirrored, which is super nice. It's gonna keep it cooler on your horse. I wish they did that today. So 2 drop-down windows on the rear, which gives you some cross airflow, which is nice. I don't see anything on this side of the trailer that is of concern. This is a mid-tack trailer. I'm getting ready to show you that mid-tack. It does have a power awning. Hopefully that gives you a pretty good view. Good size. I mean, almost 30, just shy of 30-foot box. I mean, that's not a bad size for, I'm going to say it's probably about an 8 or 10 foot short wall. All right, so step into the mid-tack. 2 brush boxes, walk-through door. It's carpeted, it's clean, it's nice, it's neat. You can move that saddle rack here. You'd have to take down a shelf that they've put up if you didn't want it in the rear tack. It is not insulated in this mid-tack, which is interesting. So they've left some nice matting on the floor here, which I've left. The tie ring, or hooks, bridle hooks on both sides, some great storage. And this is a mid-tack trailer, which again, you do not find anymore. Mid-tack trailers. It's got a screen door on there as well. 110 outlet on the outside. It's a Sierra interior, which is nice. You know what? The window into the horse box is also mirrored, including all 3 windows. So in other words, all the windows on this trailer are mirrored. I love that. All right, stepping up in the LQ, you've got a couch that makes a bed, storage across the entire top above that bed. You've got a ducted AC propane furnace. There is mood lighting above both the valances, which is really hard for you to see. Mirrors across the back. A little bit of storage back there. It's got a flat screen TV that's been upgraded. It's got a microwave, 2-burner gas top stove, stainless sink, fridge, small fridge. Again, this is a smaller LQ. Like I said, I think it's an 8 or a 10. Adequate though. And then you're able to haul 4 horses and have a mid-tack. Pocket bathroom door, toilet. It's got a big octagon shower. In my pictures, you'll be able to see that. I can open it here in a second. Sink and vanity. All right. No skylight. It's actually a good thing. Sometimes. Mirror on the walk-through door to the mid-tack. Nice mirror here with storage. Hanging bar. And then, of course, this door opens up into the mid-tack as well. So here, I'll tell you what, I'm going to turn around. Nice blanket bar there. You can see the octagon shower. Nice trailer, guys. It's clean. It's a 1 owner. It's in excellent shape. The only reason it's here is they are moving on to other things. They're of the retirement age and they're ready to do other things. And pulling an LQ right now is not what they're interested in doing. So it's here. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it other than the few little cosmetic things that I've pointed out. It's a great trailer. It's ideal if you're looking for a 4-horse and to keep the box small. It's got a lot of great options, like my favorite, the mirrored windows. It's got drop-down windows all the way around. So super nice trailer. I didn't say inside outside speakers, but I see that now. So 2013 Featherlite, 4-horse, in excellent shape. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Thanks a lot, guys.